to Bright Buddies 2020. Today we're going to do a science experiment, walking water experiment. For this experiment we need a bottle of water and some 5 cups and a stick to mix it and 4 food colorings and tissues. Now we first put the cups from a line like this. Next, we take the water bottle and take off the cap. Just pour some water in. Skip this glass. It will keep the space for the tissue to lay down. Next. Now we add the colors. Just leave that. Next we pour in the next cup. 2 drops. Close up the cap. Let's open it. And 1, 2 drops. Close this one. Now take the purple one. Let's open it. Take 1 and 2. Now we take the stick and mix each one. Make sure all of this spreads around. This one. I think it's already mixed, so we don't need to mix that much. This one we need. Next, this one. So it finally makes up purple, blue, orange, and purple. Tissues folded like this. And another one. That's now. We put the tissue in this and this. And take another tissue. And fold it like this. Fold it like this. And we do like this. There. We all put it like this, and the water flows to each tissue and flows to another cup, each tissue, another cup, each tissue, another cup. Leave it for some time. Water is flowing to this cup. First, there are water in this cup and flowing to this cup and flowing to this cup, flowing to this cup, flowing to this cup, and flowing to this cup. Wow, look at this. The water is flowing to the empty cups. Wow, if you like my experiments, please click on the subscribe button and click the bell button and click the like button and share my channel to someone else and videos. Bye guys.